What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to App IQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with credit card and also how to add a new credit card if you want to pay with credit card on the Bolt app. So what you want to do, guys, let me go ahead and select a location where I want to go, and let's say I'm ready to pay. Now all you have to do is just choose the option in the lower left hand side of your screen. As you can see, mine is saying Google Pay, and to pay with card it is also Google Pay. So if you have digital card here, you can use Google Pay and then select the card of your choice. If you want to use a card that is added directly in your wallet, you can also do that as well. So all you have to do is select where it says Google Pay, and then from here you can choose whichever card you want. Or if you have a new card that you want to add, just simply click where it says add debit or credit card, and you'll be able to enter that card details as you can see here. Apart from that, if you have the card already added, you can simply tap the card and just click the X on the upper left hand side, and that card will now be selected as your method of payment to pay for your Bolt ride. And that's it.